explore Cape Breton.
What? Whose show is this?
Mine show, Mom.
And the Cabot Trail.
There's a waterfall.
Where?
Right there. Right there.
There you go. Many people who visit Nova Scotia aren't aware that we have hundreds, probably thousands of waterfalls. And here on Cape Breton Island, there are definitely hundreds. One of them right now, Myles Doyle Falls. An easy drive up the road, quick little jaunt down a set of stairs, and bam, you're here.
Mom took this opportunity to educate the kids on some of the natural surroundings.
Ooh, look at this shiny rock.
All of my cats.
They're all micas.
Our youngest was absolutely right. These rocks had flakes of mica in them which made them glisten in the sun. These falls made for a great stop for the whole family to enjoy the geography and geology of the area and break up the drive. We were then back on the road because we had a date with some of the cutest animals alive, puffins.
So we're here with Donelda. We're gonna go out and see some puffins out on bird islands. I've had the pleasure to sail with Donelda a number of times, and you'd be hard pressed to find anyone as passionate about puffins anywhere in the world. So Donelda, we're going to the Puffin Islands, or the bird islands. What are we gonna see besides puffins?
We're going to see bald eagles, gray seals, both kinds of cormorants, the great cormorant, which everyone's looking for to complete their bird list, double-crested cormorants, some shorebirds, the ruddy turnstones, the sanderlings, semi-palmated sandpipers, both kinds of gulls.
There's a lot of birds out there.
A lot of birds.
How many puffins are there?
Roughly about 1,100 in the colony.
I believe that this is the largest puffin colony in Nova Scotia.
In Nova Scotia,
In Nova Scotia.
Yes.
If I'm not mistaken, I think the only colony larger in Eastern Canada is up in Newfoundland.
Yes.
Yeah. Excellent.
Right. Yep.
Well, I've known you for a number of years. I think we need to get out in this boat. We need to see some puffins and check out this footage because you're going to love it.
With Donelda's husband and captain at the helm, we cruised past the lofty Kelly's Mountain while Donelda educated her guests about the lobster fishery, local legends, and life in Cape Breton. Before long, we had arrived at the bird islands, and they were teeming with life. Our oldest daughter quickly spotted a colony of seals, some of which were very active, while others, not so much. Cormorants in large numbers were fanning and drying themselves off on the steep rocky cliffs. And with cameras ready to go, we had spotted some puffins. Many were swimming about while others took flight, which takes a great deal of energy and effort for these small birds. It's amazing how many varieties of birds share the islands, living in unison for the most part. That is, of course, until it's feeding time, which will not be shown on this episode. This is a family show. On our way back from the islands, Donelda stopped to feed some of the local bald eagles, which amazingly recognize her by voice.
What I love about Big Spruce, it's family owned, and you can tell that because there's games all over the place. So the adults can drink, the kids can play games, and then we can converge and we can all play games. So we're gonna challenge the kids to some games. Oh, come on.
Right over there, I got one.
Oh, close.
Oh, man.
Face. Oh!
This wasn't done.
Somebody wasn't taking this game very serious. While on the other hand, our youngest was dead set on winning. And with that, Mommy and Daddy took a loss.
We've lost the kids for a moment. We're at Big Spruce, trying out some fantastic beer and listen to some local music.
How it works where we come from. See those smiles on those young faces.
And Bunny.
For the weekend, we were treating the girls to the nomadic life, but in the comforts of a yurt here in Waikagama Provincial Park. These fixed accommodations make camping with the family a little easier and a great choice and experience while exploring the Kava Trail together. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Join us next time as we continue along the world-famous Kava Trail Drive and we go sailing on the Bedore Lakes, hike one of my favorite coastal hikes in the entire country, have some truly incredible wildlife encounters, and spend the night in some of the most unique accommodations along the trail. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share to follow along on the next adventure.